Hi everyone, this is Dimitri Pargamonic with MarketChameleon.com. One of the most important financial data points when you're doing a financial analysis is the ex-dividend date and the dividend amount. That goes either into your stock analysis, or if you're trading options, it definitely impacts the price of the option, and you really want to know the amount and the upcoming ex-dividend date, because if you decide that you do want to own the stock, you have to do it before the business day before the ex-dividend date. The issue is that there's really no standardized way that companies report this information, and they'll issue either press releases or they'll put a schedule on their website. So there's lots of different ways these companies communicate this information, and really you'd have to go and compile it, read press releases, go on their websites, and this could be just a full-time job on its own. And this tool here helps you out with that. We compile information as it's coming in and try to get as much of that information into this data table. And what you see here is ex-dividend dates and amounts that we've been able to capture through press releases or going to their websites. We enter into our database, and you have this list over here, currently over 3,400. And this list here, it'll look for any information we could find either on ETFs, common stock, preferred stock, closed-end funds, whatever we compile, we added to this data table, which you could either download, filter out any stocks of interest, and I'll do an example screen right now for you. So assume that you're looking for anything that's already so it's by default any dividends that have been announced. You could look at projected as well if they haven't announced yet. You could look for today's ex-dividends, tomorrow's, next 7 days, 30 days, or just any coming up. You could pick a stock type like a common, ETF, preferred. So if you're looking at ETFs, you're trading ETFs. Unfortunately, they don't give the details of the amount until actually like right up to the day of or the day before, but they do have schedules out there that we go out to their websites and try to capture the schedules that they notify customers with, and that's all in here. So preferred stocks, closed-end funds, any type of particular security that you're looking for, you could filter out here. Any type of guidance that they're releasing, if you're looking just for any particular frequency of dividend payments, you could filter by that. For example, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually. If the stock has options, if for stocks that are holdings in a particular ETF, such as SPY or the S&P 500, financial, energies, utility stocks, you could filter out using those filters, or by market cap. Or if you just have a stock list in your watch list that you're monitoring, and that's where the information you're looking for, any type of new information, you could just go over here and filter by everything in my watch list. So then you could just sort by next dividend date, the frequency, or the dividend amount, if there is a percent change, increase or decrease by note, and so forth, if there's any special dividends. And again, if you have a model that you feed it into, you could download the data into a CSV file, and then use that data to put inside your models. So again, these are upcoming ex-dividend dates, very important for, if you're trading stock or you're trading options. And of course, it's very difficult to compile this information, so you have it neatly in this table. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.